In this episode of I Tried It, we'll be taking a look at this video created by Jay Foreman where he says that you can make 55K per month without lifting a finger. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the good, the bad, the ugly, and my results after 1 week. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn if you should even try this side hustle. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, in this video, we're going to take a look at this video by Jay Foreman, who says that you can make 55K per month. So let's talk about what this video is. What this creator is talking about is, and we're going to talk about this in more in depth, but basically you're going to go grab motivational quotes, you're going to put in a 6-second video, and you're going to just magically make a bunch of money. So in the video, what he says, and it takes him about 15 minutes to get to this point, you're going to go to a website like Pexels, and you're going to download free videos, okay? You are going to turn those videos into TikTok posts. You're going to grab like drone photos is what he uses. You're going to grab drone videos, download them to your computer, then you're going to use a video editing software, and you are going to make 6-second clips with motivational quotes. Okay. The interesting thing about this, the first thing it says is you can make 55K per month without lifting a finger. In order to do this, you've got to lift several fingers. You've got to copy and paste. You've got to do a little bit of searching. Let me show you exactly what I did. Using the framework of his video, I went to a website called Storyblocks, which I actually use. I have a subscription. It's a paid subscription. I like using Storyblocks because 99% of the internet isn't going to pay for a subscription. And I just typed in drone videos like this. And then I hit enter just like this, and then I went and downloaded a bunch of those to my computer. The next thing I did is I use a video editing software called ScreenFlow. I might not be able to pull it up because I'm actually using ScreenFlow right now, but I put the clips and actually sped them or cut them down to 6-second clips, and I used I typed in motivational music like this, which is basically what he outlines in his video. You're going to look for royalty-free motivational music, download that to your computer, and you're going to add it to the clips. The final step to this are motivational quotes like this. What he recommends is go over to Pinterest and use the motivational quotes from there. If you use the quotes from Pinterest, you're going to have to type them in. So you're going to be lifting multiple fingers in order to get this to work. Another option or alternative is to go over to a website like 400 plus motivational quotes to inspire you today and copy them and paste them right into your video editing software. So you're just going to go copy like this, paste them right in there. And then the final step to this is you're going to go over to a website like Digistore24 or ClickBank, and you're going to be an affiliate. You're going to put your affiliate links right into the bio of all of your content, and you're magically going to make 55K per month. So that's what he said. So let's talk about the good. The good is that this is a low effort strategy. Anybody can do this. This doesn't take a lot of time per day. You know, it's something literally anybody can do. You don't need any money to do this. That's the good. The bad is this is a low effort, low content strategy that social media platforms and YouTube absolutely hate. It's low effort. It doesn't improve the value or the quality of the platform. And quite frankly, there are already like thousands of TikTok accounts that are already doing this. So if we go over to TikTok.com and we just type in like motivational quotes, you're going to see motivational quotes like this. Or we could do motivational videos, motivational quotes. It doesn't really matter. But if you look at this, you can see there are tons of accounts that are already doing this. All right. And so you're going to have a very tough time standing out in the crowd. Now, in his video, he highlights channels that have hundreds of thousands of views. Now, those channels have been around for a long time. But if we look at this, most of these channels are teeny tiny channels that are struggling to get by. You can see for yourself, this is going to be a challenge. Again, low effort, low quality content. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all of these platforms hate it. Excuse me. So this is an example of one of those that he mentioned. All right. Also, another problem is you're not just going to get to $55,000 tomorrow. You need 1,000 followers in order to put an affiliate link or any link in the bio of your content. Okay, so you have to realize that before you just decide that this is going to be your method to make $1 zillion or 55K per month. You're competing in a very crowded space. If you look over on YouTube and you look at those motivational quotes, very difficult to actually get up and running. Another positive of this is, again, it doesn't take a lot of time, but you're going to wind up wasting a lot of time trying to get this up and running. You're going to need to be consistent for this, in my opinion, for a few months in order to be successful with this opportunity. So that's the bad. So now that we have that taken care of, and I'm going to talk to you about a better opportunity, in my opinion, at the end of this video. Now let's talk about how much money I've made or how much success I've had. Now, again, with this method, I've been doing it for 1 week, exactly 1 week, and I've been doing 2 uploads per day. What he recommends in his video is to do 1 upload per day and you'll be successful. So I'm going to show you a screenshot of my account. I'm actually going to blur out some of the things here, but because I'm going to continue on with this for another month or so to see how this goes throughout the entire month of November, I'm going to show you how much success I've had with this channel. So if I open this up, this is a screenshot of the account that I started. I started 1 week ago, and I've uploaded 2 posts per day. All right, so here is my account after uploading for 1 week. I have 1 follower, 12 likes, and the most viewed video has 1,119 views. The 2 videos that I just uploaded, they have 0 views, so that's fine. But you can see, with the exception of my first video, all of my other videos are ranging between 200 and 300 views. This is a far cry from the 55K per month that Jay says that you can achieve. The other issue that I just noticed, I went back and looked at the thumbnail, and his thumbnail, I'm going to open this up real quick for you. His thumbnail actually has a image of the YouTube Partner Program. So you can see here that while he's talking about TikTok, this is actually a thumbnail for the YouTube Partner Program, most likely his YouTube channel. And so a lot of things don't really add up. He's talking about copy and paste. In my opinion, I would stay away from this, okay? The reason why I create these videos is because before I start creating my own content, I spent a lot of time trying to do these quick copy and paste, done for you, set it and forget it, shortcut things to success. And I know that they don't work, okay? I wish I could share with you how much money I spent on that different type of software. I would say that I wasted thousands of dollars and years watching launch jacking videos where people are saying that your one-stop solution is with this software. I wasted thousands of hours watching videos just like this, guaranteeing and promising that you can shortcut the process. You can copy and paste. The only copying and pasting that these guys that you could take advantage of really is making the exact same YouTube videos as all of these other guys, because that's kind of what's happening. And that's how you can that's the only way you can copy and paste and be successful. But ultimately, you need to create your own content. And we're going to talk about a better opportunity right now. Okay. So create your own content. Don't do this type of stuff, because if it works, and it usually works for a small group of people, it's super saturated. It's super competitive. You're not building a brand or authority. TikTok or YouTube could ultimately decide that this content's low effort and they could suppress it. Okay. And that's what ultimately starts happening is they see all of these different pieces of content, which are essentially the exact same. They start suppressing it. And, you might be making 10K 1 month and then 3K the next, because you didn't build your own brand or build your own authority. I think the better opportunity, and I've mentioned this in a previous video, is to simply join the Amazon Influencer Program and review products that you've already completed. Now, the pushback will be, Alston, I didn't get approved. Well, create content and then reapply. It's as simple as that. Go out, do the work, and then reapply. You don't get approved, that's fine. Reapply after you get some traffic. Create the content, because that's what happens. That's what everybody goes through. All of these big name YouTubers and TikTokers, they created the content first, and then they figured out how to monetize it. You can do the same thing. Take a product that you've purchased. For example, this Rode wireless microphone. Do a review on this microphone. The guy Marcus Bolis, whatever his name is, the largest tech YouTuber, that's how he started. His first video, which I think is unlisted now, was a crappy video of him reviewing a product. He didn't get paid for that video until many months, weeks, and years later. Go out, do the work first, and then you can get paid for it. The problem is that we're conditioned to do work and expect to get money in return right away. If you want to be successful online, you're going to have to do the work up front, and then maybe if the work is decent and good, you will get paid. You have a much better chance of getting paid that way than trying to do this low effort content that is saturated on TikTok and YouTube and everywhere else that ultimately doesn't go anywhere and doesn't help you. So this feels like a rant. This sounds like a rant. But ultimately, as I mentioned in my Sunday video, I want you to be successful. You have to want it too. And for you to be successful, you have to go out and create your own original content. Put your own spin on things. Be unique. Be different instead of trying to do the copy and paste shortcut stuff that doesn't work. Okay? Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you build your online business.